Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Ordinary Granactive Retinoid 5% in Squalane face oil. What is it used for? What type of retinol or vitamin A have they used in this formulation? And is this vitamin A good for all skin types? So stick till the very end because I'm going to be disclosing everything that you need to know before you can buy this product. Let me start this video by saying if I have to choose a vitamin A from the Ordinary range, then I would go, if I have a sensitive skin, then I will go for this serum. Yes, you heard me right. Why is that? Because it is a milder version of retinoid. Kind of use sensitivity because it kind of, a form of tretinoin. You know that tretinoin is really good. It helps with the skin regeneration, but with that comes its own side effects of dryness, redness, and also itchy skin, sensitivity. You have to go through all of that. But this one, it is formulated in squalane, which is high in antioxidants, which helps to moisturize your skin. And then the vitamin A, that is the Granactive Retinoid, has been added. That is the ester of vitamin A, which is really good form because it's sensitive. That is mildly giving all the benefits in squalane to your skin. So the two main ingredients here is the hydroxypicolone retinoate. This is a form of the retinoid, and that is a form of vitamin A. In studies, it is shown to have the same benefits of tretinoin, but it is milder than tretinoin. It is a retinoid. Retinoids are coming above the retinols. Retinols below. And then there is like different types of vitamin A, which is like less irritating, but it doesn't do that great of a job. But this retinoid is really good. The ester of retinoid is like milder version. It's been derived from the retinoic acid. So it's a milder version. When you apply it on the skin, it doesn't have to go through the series of steps to convert itself into retinoic acid, which can be easily adapted by the body or taken by the body. So it goes through lesser chemical steps to be converted into retinoic acid so that the body can take it up easily and generate more cells. Just like all the retinoids, what does this ingredient do? It helps to improve the collagen production. It helps to bring the new skin cells on the surface. It also, in some studies, have helped with the fine lines, wrinkles, and also it helps to improve the overall texture of your skin. If you have bumps all over your skin and it kind of doesn't give an even skin finish, then it helps to achieve that too. It is known as the most reliable skincare ingredient just because of its stability. Usually retinols, when they come in contact with the light or if they are not packaged well, its shelf life starts to reduce. And it's very important to package also the retinols. You can see that it comes in a UV protectant bottle. It's just because it's kind of unstable. But this form of retinoid is kind of stable. It is known for its stability. It doesn't lose its shelf life just like that. So it is known for its stability and it can be easily absorbed by the skin cells. When formulated with squalane, it is much more better because it kind of retains that moisture as well. And it's just a good formulation in general. If you are a person with very sensitive skin and you don't know what you can do because you cannot use the potent type of retinoid like tretinoin, or you cannot use retinol because retinol is also irritating and drying to your skin, then I would suggest you to use this one. Any skin type can use it, whether it be Caucasian skin, whether it be skin of color. If you're going through sunburn, redness, and your skin is kind of reactive to any of the things, then just let your skin heal a bit and then you can apply this serum. It's totally fine. A simple way to use for the sensitive skin type is that you can use the first the cleanser by the Ordinary, that is the glucoside cleanser. This one is a foaming cleanser. It is very gentle, perfect. It has all the simple micelle surfactants which remove the dirt very gently. It doesn't rip the moisture and oil from your skin. So you can use this one. Then you can apply the multi-peptide serum from the Ordinary, which is really good because it helps with the collagen production. And after that, you can use this Granactive Retinoid 5% on the top because it is a face oil. It is kind of a bit oily, so it's better to apply serum first and then top it up with this one. And at last, you can use the natural moisturizing factors by the Ordinary with hyaluronic acid. And that is the simplest skincare routine that you can follow to have a younger looking skin. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and also reach out to me on my Instagram handle. Thank you very much for watching this video again. I will see you soon in another one. Take care and bye.